Hello students, now we'll find out the density of honey. So already we have find out the density of water, density of cooking oil. Now we'll find out the density of honey. So for that we are going to use the same method. So first we have to take the weight of the empty cap. So it is 1 gram. Now we'll add honey. Now we have to take the weight of honey plus cap. So it is coming 13.28 gram. It will be 13.28 gram. Now 13.28 minus 1.00 gram will give you 12.28 gram. So this is the weight of honey and volume of honey is 10 ml. Now we can find out the density. So weight is 12.28 divided by 10. So it will be 1.228 gram per ml. So now we find out the density of honey, that is 1.228 gram per ml. Now if you remember, the density of water is 1 gram per ml. So here you can see the density of honey is more than water. So now I will show you that if I add honey and water, what is going to happen. So first I will take water. And I can do it in a small scale. So this I am taking water now. I am going to add honey. Now let's see what is happening. Here you can see that honey is bottom layer and water in the top layer. So now you understand why such things are happening, because honey has the higher density than water. That's why honey is now coming to the bottom layer and water in the top layer. Hope you like the video. Thank you.